All right, to start round 3, we're going to be doing single crochets. So in this case, to start, we are going to chain 1, and in this case it does not count as our first stitch. We're going to do 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then we're going to do 3 single crochets in a row. And we're going to repeat this pattern 6 times until we have 30 stitches. So let's start here in the next spot here. So to do a single crochet, you don't wrap around first. You can go through the stitch, then wrap around, pull through, and instead of pulling through this stitch, which is a slip stitch, we're going to wrap around once and pull through the both. That is a single crochet. So to do it again, you put it in your stitch. You're going to grab the yarn, wrap around, and pull through. So there's our 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. We're going to do 3 in a row now. 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to do 2 in the next one. 1, 2. And we're going to do 3 in a row again. And if you look here, there's 3 loops. We're going under these top 2, but over that one. 1, 2, 3. And again, 2 in the stitch. And 3 in a row. Stitch, 3 in a row, 2 here, 3 in a row, and lastly, 2 here, and 1, a little tight right here, 2, and then we're going to stitch where that single first chain popped up to get our last single crochet in, and we're going to slip stitch in our first single crochet of the round. So if you start from here, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There is your 30 stitches. And to count stitches, you can see these little chains at the top here. One of these chains would be a stitch. And sometimes, like the double crochets, you can count, you can see how they separate here. Sometimes the single crochets can be a little trickier. But there you have it. The end of round 3.